Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw this super cute cartoon cat. It's an easy step-by-step drawing that anyone can do, even if you're a beginner. So grab your pencil, paper, and colors, and let's get started. First, we'll start with the cat's head. Draw a big round shape, not a perfect circle, just a soft round curve. Let's move to the body. Below the head, draw a small oval shape for the body. Then add 2 front legs, just simple curved lines that meet at the paw. Draw the tail curling around the back. Now, on top of the head, draw 2 big triangle ears. Next, it's time to draw the face. Let's start with 2 big round eyes. Now, draw a small triangle nose right between the eyes. Then add a little curve down and a W shape to make a happy mouth. Don't forget to draw 3 whiskers on each side. Let's give our cat a cute collar too. Fill the rest of the eyes with black, but leave the small circle white. That's what gives the cat a cute and shiny look. Add some small lines on the forehead to show fur texture. You can also add light stripes on the legs or the sides of the face. These little details make the drawing more lively and cartoon-like. Once you finish coloring, use a black marker or pen to outline everything. This will make your drawing stand out beautifully and look clean and bold. If you want, you can also add a little shadow under the cat to make it look grounded. And there you have it. Your cute cartoon cat is ready. If you enjoyed this video, if you loved this artwork, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Anisha Art Gallery.